This is a Zeiss Icon's schloss. I'm gonna try to get into it, and then I'll talk a little bit more about it if I can. So there's a click on 5. There's a click on 1. And there's a click on 2. 3 feels 3. So I think that might have been 4. That's 2. Might have got 3. Overset 3. Nope, 1. I just had to press 1 up and it opened. So, okay. So this thing is apparently rated at a green belt, and I don't agree with that at all. The wording in that thing is miserable. The pins are set high, and I don't exactly understand where some of these LPU ratings come from, because this being a green belt, I mean, I would figure it would at least be blue with just the angle that you have to get your pick in to get up under there, you know. So, but that's the Zeiss Icon Schloss.